On Friday, South Sudan President Salva Kiir fired Deborah Akech, the Undersecretary of the Ministry of Youth and Sport. This news was announced on South Sudan Broadcast Corporation, the state-owned television. No reason was given for her removal. President Kiir then appointed a new person to take the job. Her name is Aguma Weta-Kot. She is the daughter of General Daniela Weta-Kot, a famous Liberation War hero. Her father was a top SPLM party official. But just a few months ago, in May, President Salva Kiir Mayardit removed General Awet from his position as second deputy chairman of the SPLM party. Now his daughter is given a high-level job. This is not the first time President Salva Kiir Mayardit has picked children of whole SPLM leader for government job. Earlier this year, in March, President Kiir also appointed Changkuoth Nyak as Minister of Trade. She is the daughter of General Nyak, another big name in SPLM and a former defense minister. People are now asking, is this how South Sudan gives job to people? Is it based on family, not education or experience? A well-known civil society activist, Termanyang Gadwich, spoke to the media. He said this kind of appointment is not good for the country. He said, if this is how the government gives job to sons and daughters of whole fighters, then this is wrong. The country must give job based on skill, not family. He added that many more sons and daughters of whole SPLM leaders will likely be appointed soon, he said. This is just the beginning. You will see more new faces in government. It is like a reward to those who were removed from power recently. Many people are now watching closely. They want to see if the president will keep appointing friends and relatives of all comrades. In May 2025, President Kiir made a big change in the SPLM party. He removed Daniel Awet-Akot as second deputy chairman. He removed Nyangjuk as third deputy chairman, and he removed James Waniga as first deputy chairman and secretary general. He replaced them with Mary Apaya Yiga, Simon Kutpoch, who was a former governor of Upper Nile State. Many people believe that Kiir is removing old leaders and bringing new ones, but also rewarding the families of those removed. This case caused worry among many people. They fear the government is not focusing on skills, education, or public services. Since independence in 2011, South Sudan has not held national election. President Kiir has been in power since 2005. He became the leader of South Sudan after the death of Dr. John Garang de Mabur. Then, when South Sudan became independent in July 2011, he became the president. Now, 14 years later, he is still in power. Many people are asking when election will come and if the country will ever change its way of choosing leaders. That is all for now. This is Nyak reporting news from South Sudan. We'll keep watching what happens next in the government. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. We report what matters. Thank you for watching.